How to make this images for free. Open your browser and go to bing.com. Then click on Image. Click on Create. Now you can type your prompt here. Then click on Create. It will generate you few samples. Click on Image to preview. Also, you can change the prompt. Again, click on Create. If you are not happy with the samples, you can regenerate again. If you want to download this image, simply click on Download button, and you will get image without any watermark. If you want more tutorials like this, kindly let me know in the comments section.